Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by today to see what I am up to. And today I'm going to be unbagging my Facetory monthly sheet mask subscription. This hopefully will be a quick one. I haven't even opened it. Normally I pre-open, but I didn't do this one. I probably won't share any of these sheet masks. It's actually running a little low. I've given some away. So I probably will keep all of these. So let me just open this bag. So this is the bag. And you receive a card that tells you that it gives you a little descriptive on your sheet mask. I get the Forever Fresh kit, so you get 4 masks. And this is the March, and they're always behind a month. So this is the March bag. And for those that aren't aware of what Facetory is, it is a Korean sheet mask monthly subscription. Like I said, this is the Forever Fresh kit. It is $8.90 a month. You receive 4 masks. They have 7 Lux. You receive 7 masks. That's $19 a month. And then the newer box that they've had probably now almost a year, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe the spring or summer was their first one last year. And it's the Lux Plus Box, and it is skincare, hair care items. Usually they value it at about $200 for the box. You get 10-ish items, and it is $49.95 a season. So that's a seasonal box. I have not tried that one yet. I am very interested in that just because these masks are always so good. So I am interested in the skincare. So the first mask is a charcoal mask, and this is from Facetory themselves, and this is the Everyday Charcoal Mask, value of $2.50, and the charcoal powder is their key ingredient, draws out bacteria and minimizes inflammation to reveal a clearer, brighter complexion. I usually am careful with charcoal. I've tried some like the nose strips, and they dry out my skin so much that I don't like the strips. I don't mind the charcoal mask, that they don't seem as harsh. And clay mask, I have to be extremely careful. There's only one, and I don't remember who makes it. It's like a violet color, like a purple color, and the bottle is also, that's the only clay mask that I can use. Some of them are just too drying for me. And the next one is a cute package right here. And this is from Bling Pop, and this is the Aloe Moisturizing and Brightening Mask. And key ingredients, obviously aloe leaf extract in this. And that ingredient is, let's see, anti-inflammatory properties to soothe and heal the skin. And the other one is, I have no idea. Ooh, I don't even know how to pronounce it. But it's a root extract, and I will post a picture of this card on the screen so you can see that. It's also known as peony root extract. Okay, at least I can say that. And that ingredient is great at brightening and rejuvenating the skin, and this has a value of $2. So nice mask. Oh, this one looks interesting. I am excited to try this one. And this is a wrinkle mask, and this is by Sheer Skin. I would assume that's Sheer Skin wrinkle mask, and this is a peptide. This has a value of $2. So the key ingredients, one, are peptides that help moisturize, restore, and protect the skin. Peptides help with increasing skin elasticity and reducing inflammation. And then, of course, the last one I cannot say its full name. It's another root extract. And that helps protect the skin barrier, helps protect the skin barrier and reduces signs of inflammation and irritation. I don't think we've ever gotten one from this brand or this type, so I am very, very excited to try that. And here's another nice looking package. Okay. And these are all sheet masks, by the way, and these are all made in Korea. And this one, okay, so this is Labellage Pearl Solution Mask Pack, and this is a value of $2, and the key ingredients are pearl extract, and it says this ingredient helps brighten the skin and add radiance. And then there is a fig fruit extract that helps fade dark spots and brighten the overall complexion. Okay. That's nice. Transparent white. I wonder why this one says pack, where other ones just say mask pack. And of course you can't read anything on the back because it's, you know, these are all made in Korea, so this is in Korean. You know, the how to use and the ingredients are, and the cautions are in English, made in Korea. So, I don't know why some say pack and some say just say mask. I don't know the answer to that, but I usually take a picture of all the masks right here, the 3 and the 4 masks. Plus, they always leave some helpful tips on the bottom of the card. And if you wanted to switch, like if you are a Forever Fresh Kit member, like I am, and you wanted to try the 7 Lux plan, if you use Fresh to Lux, you save 20% off your first box with them. So that's and you can get you can get a full ingredient list on their website if you are interested in any or concerned about any of the ingredients in their masks. I have never ever, and I've been getting this subscription since the very beginning of the channel, I have never had a problem with any of their masks causing any irritation, burning, itching, anything. And I've pretty much tried almost all of them. The only ones that I really probably have not tried are anything like snail masks or anything of that nature. I just don't think I could ever put it on my face. It tells you on here how to sheet mask. And I know they do sell, like when you put a sheet mask on, you know, because they will, if you don't lay down, they will slip down your face. They do sell, and I don't know what they're called, but something that you can put on and like bring over your ear. And I don't know if it goes under your chin, and it helps hold it in place so that if you still need it to be kind of active, or maybe you're taking a bath while applying one of these, something like it would stay in place. And I don't know what they're called, and there's a specific name for them. I might have to try to get one because sometimes it's hard to sit and do this for the, you know, 20, 30 minutes, or depending on how long, you know, you're supposed to leave them on. I would say most are 20 to 30 minutes. So that basically is my March Forever Fresh skincare pack, skin mask pack from Facetory. And like I said, I've been getting this one since the beginning, so a year and a half, a little bit over a year and a half, and absolutely love this very, very much, and will always get it. Even if I decide at some point not to share it on the channel, I will continue to get it, just because you're supposed to do 1 sheet mask a week. I mean, you could do 2. I think they state 1 a month is, or 1 a week is what you should do. So this is my month's worth, and this would be for April, of sheet masks that I would do 1 a week. Depending on your skin, if you can handle it, if you have, you know, different skin concerns, that maybe you could do 2 a week. I find 1 a week is sufficient. I exfoliate a couple times a week and do other things during the week that I don't need to mask as much. So I'm always excited when I see this package come. It lets me know that my Facetory is here for the month. And I appreciate all of you watching, and I hope everyone is doing well. And as always, I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.